Hello students, today we solve examples in practice set 3.1. Now first example is, in the adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with center C is 6 centimeter. We have given this radius is 6 centimeter. Line AB is a tangent at A. Answer the following questions. Now first question is, what is the measure of angle CAB? Angle CAB, why? Now here, for first, draw segment CA. Draw segment CA. Therefore, angle CAB, this is tangent, this is radius at point A. Therefore, by tangent theorem, this angle is of 90 degree. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree by tangent theorem. Tangent theorem. This is first. Now second, draw segment CA. Angle CAB is equal to 90 degree, tangent theorem. Now in second, what is the distance of point C? What is the distance of point this C from line AB, from this line AB? Why? Now here, first we consider segment CA perpendicular to AB. We know that this angle is of 90 degree from 1. This angle is of 90 degree. Therefore, segment CA perpendicular to line AB. Segment CA perpendicular to line AB from 1. And we have given CA is equal to 6. CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Now this is CA perpendicular to AB, and this distance CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, C is at a distance 6 centimeter from line AB. Therefore, C is at a distance 6 centimeter from line AB. From line AB. This is second. Now third. In third, we have given distance of AB is equal to 6. This distance is of 6 centimeter. We have to find BC. Now for this, in triangle CAB, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. This angle is of 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find value of BC. Now write down third, 3. In triangle CAB, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. CAB is equal to 90 degree. Write down from 1. This angle is of 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, now we can write this: BC square is equal to AB square plus CA square plus AB square. That is, BC square is equal to CA square plus AB square. Now we have given value of CA is 6 and AB is 6. Therefore, is equal to 6 square plus 6 square is equal to 36 plus 36 is equal to 72. Now 72 is written as 36 into 2. This is BC square. BC square is equal to 36 into 2 taking square root. Therefore BC is equal to 6 square root 2 centimeter. And BC we have to find distance between point B and C. Therefore distance between point B and C is equal to BC is equal to 6 square root 2 centimeter. Number 4. Now in number 4, what is the measure of angle ABC? We have to find what is the measure of angle ABC. We have to find this angle. Why? Now in triangle CAB, these two sides are equal. Now in triangle CAB, CA is equal to AB. Here CA is equal to AB, that is each of 6 centimeter. Each of 6 centimeter. Now these two are equal, and we know that in triangle angles opposite to congruent sides are of equal measures. Therefore opposite side of this angle is AC. Opposite angle is ABC. Therefore CA, its opposite angle ABC, congruent to angle ACB. These two are congruent angles. Now we consider, let these two angles are of x degree. Let angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x degree. Now in triangle CAB, angle CAB plus angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180. That is sum of all angles of this triangle. Now here put values. Angle CAB plus angle ABC is x plus ACB is x is equal to 180. Therefore angle CAB plus angle, we have given angle CAB is 90 degree. 90 plus x is 2x is equal to 180. Therefore x is equal to 2x is equal to, therefore 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore x is equal to 90 upon 2 dividing by 245. Therefore x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore these angles Now we consider here angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to, therefore, angle, we have to show that angle ABC, therefore, angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. This is the answer. Now question number 2. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle from point R. Segment REM and segment RN are tangent segments touching the circle at M and N. If length of OR is equal to 10 cm and radius of circle is 5 cm, then we have to show first what is the length of each tangent segment. That is, we have to show REM and RN, length of each tangent segments. Now for this, first we draw segment OM and segment ON. Draw segment OM and segment ON. Now first, now in triangle OMR, in triangle OMR, in triangle OMR, angle OMR is equal to, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this angle is of 90 degree. This is tangent theorem. Tangent theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can find value of REM. By Pythagoras theorem, REM square is equal to OM square plus OR square. That is, REM square is equal to OM square plus OR square is equal to, now put values, OM is 5 square plus OR is 10 square is equal to 25 plus 100. Now here OMR is equal to 90 degree. Therefore here OR is the hypotenuse. Therefore here write down OR square is equal to OM square plus REM square or MR square. Therefore OR is 10. Therefore 10 square is equal to OM is 5 square plus, now here REM or MR square. Therefore, now we cancel this. Therefore, REM square is equal to 10 square plus becomes minus 5 square is equal to 10 square is 100 minus 5 square is 25. Therefore, REM square is equal to 75 is equal to 25 into 3. Now taking square root, therefore REM is equal to square root of 25, 5 square root 3 centimeter. REM is equal to 5 square root 3 centimeter. Therefore, REM is equal to, RN is equal to 5 square root 3 centimeter. Write down in bracket REM is equal to, RN is equal to 5 square root 3 centimeter. tangent segment theorem. Tangent segment theorem. Therefore, what is the length of each segment? Therefore, length of each segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. This is the first. Now second, what is the measure of angle MRO? We have to find this angle MRO. Now in triangle OMR, this angle is of 90 degree. This is hypotenuse. This angle OM is half of this hypotenuse. Therefore, its opposite side is of 30 degree. Write down in triangle OMR. In triangle OMR, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree. This angle is of 90 degree. Write down given OM is equal to 5 centimeter. OR is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, OM is equal to 1 upon 2 OR. This OM is equal to 1 upon 2 OR. That is half of hypotenuse. Therefore, angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. This angle is of 30 degree. That is by using converse of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. By converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem, triangles theorem. (30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangles theorem. Number 3. Now third, what is the measure of angle MRN? MRN, that is sum of, now this angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, we can show that angle NRO is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, we can show that angle NRO is equal to 30 degree. Now we have to find angle MRN. Therefore, angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO. Angle MRO plus angle NRO. Sum of these two angles, this is 30 plus 30 is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle MRN is equal to 60 degree. This is the answer. Now, third example. Segment REM and segment RN. REM and segment RN are tangent segments of a circle with center O. Prove that segment OR bisects angle MRN and angle MON as well as angle MON. Now here, in triangle OMR and triangle ONR, in triangle OMR and triangle ONR. Now these two angles are equal each of 90 degree. Angle OMR is equal to angle ONR is equal to congruent to angle ONR. Write down in bracket each of 90 degree by tangent theorem. Hypotenuse OR congruent to hypotenuse OR, that is common side, and OM congruent to segment ON, congruent to segment OM congruent to segment ON. This is OM congruent to segment ON. Radii of same circle. Therefore, by hypotenuse side test, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle OMR congruent to triangle ONR. Now we know that these two triangles are congruent, therefore their corresponding angles also congruent. Therefore, angle MRO congruent to angle NRO and angle MOR congruent to angle NOR. Write down in bracket corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, ON segment OR bisects angle MRN and angle MON. Therefore, write down answer proof. Therefore, segment OR bisects angle MRN and angle MON. This is the answer. Thank you.